Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video we're gonna make the website, simple website database with a template of admin LTE. Yes, admin LTE. And then we use the XMPP like the before. Don't forget to store Apache and MySQL because we're gonna use the MySQL at here. Alright, and don't forget to create the database like this. I give the name of this database DBA campus like this. Yep, and we have to fill the database for the testing like this. Alright, I'm gonna delete it. The integer you must fill 5, and this is for ID, and the type of name is voucher. We put in 35, and username voucher2, password voucher2. The two of this is 25. Alright, don't forget to auto increment for ID, like Omar. Username is Omar Farooq. Password 12345. Right, you fill it, the one. The one is Omar Farooq and password 12344 like this. After that, after the database is complete, you create it. You have to download the AdminLTE. Sorry. Yes, that's AdminLTE.io. You have to download it, and you choose the AdminLTE version 3.2.0 because this is the latest of version. This version for the 4.0 is the beta. I mean, you know, the beta is a lot of bug. I don't recognize this. The better is the use AdminLTE version 3.2.0. Right? After that, you download it. Alright, after you download it, the AdminLTE, you have to extract, and then you put into htdocs. Yes, XMPP, the folder or XMPP is location of XMPP, and then you have to put into htdocs, and then you extract at here AdminLTE, and you have the lot of file of this, and then you have to make the file like the inventory for our website, like for our website to create. And then after you create the folder, you have copy from AdminLTE, build these docs, plugins, and index. Because index, we have to look at this, the dashboard view one, this index like this, and dashboard view 2, index 2, and dashboard view 3 is 3. And this time we have we're gonna use the v1. Copy 5 of this file, and then you put into your inventory at this hub, and then index at here. Alright, you must change the format index from HTML to PHP like this. We're gonna use the software of Visual Code and then Control Shift S. You'll see the index, we change the PHP. That's like this, and then you save. That's the file you change. Alright, and this time we have we're gonna take the header, this header, we're gonna put into the new file, this, and the header up from above small box and before main row. You Control X, you cut into this. Yep. And then if you have if you see like looks different. Because what? Because we're gonna use the header to the file, and we call again like this. We call PHP like this, include header.php. Yep, you close it, and then you see alright, that's the header. It looks again, it's not behind because we call again the header. Alright, and then you have to delete of this box because we just get the header, just the header, and like this. And then we cut this. Yep, got this, and we'll see the different, just like that. H1 for the intro, like this. Welcome to a campus. Yeah, like this. Alright, let's move it into the next tutorial. Alright guys, sorry for the skip the video, skip this in, but because the before is something trouble to my coding, and I gonna explain to you of this the next step. Alright, the next step is the you have to get inside, get in the general items like this app, general elements, I mean general elements from the from this file AdminLTE. Right, before we got the AdminLTE, just the header and some h1 the paragraph. Yep, and then we delete it and change for the to the general elements. General elements is to get from here. From here guys, inform, forms and general elements. Yep, you can move this file. You can search on AdminLTE pages, forms, and find the general items like this. Pages and form and general. Yep, this file, this general forms, and you have to move it into your coding, into the visual code, I mean. Then you cut the element like this guys, and then you cut the element to this code. Right, you have to search the general elements exactly with Control F, and you can search general elements. Yep, and then you cut done, and then you cut into the inventory PHP, and then you pass above the, I mean below the header. Alright, that's it. Below the header, you pass to this, to there, to here, I mean. Sorry for my English broken. Alright, and then yeah, you get this one. You get this one. Alright guys, and the next step, you log your database, the list of your database, like at this time I'll use ID, name, code, price, stock, and the 4 point is name, code, price, stock. We put into the dashboard. Yep, the dashboard. All the all the name, all the class where we met at this at our database name, price, cost, stock. In the fish code like this, yep, like this. Before it, you have the single one of this, yeah, this one of this table form group, and then you copy up 4 until 4 point, and then you put the name of your database at here, like name, and name is name 2. After that, code, and then price and stock, you name it as your database. And then you have to uh, take the button from this UI elements, and you go to buttons and then you look where the file is located, go to file. Sorry, uh sorry, from my laptop is lagging, just wait a minute. Yeah, at this AdminLTE, and then go to the patch and UE and buttons, yes, and you copy that to the your inventory at this, and then you get the button you copy from buttons files. Yeah, at this time I'm gonna use the success button with the size of small, button small, and then you copy this button, yep, and you pass in inventory after the label, yep, exactly in inside form, but in below, and you pass, but before you have to make a div, yeah, you have to make div like this, div, yeah, then you pass here, and then you got it, the button. And then we have to change this tab, this mention name is safe, not capital. Yeah, like this. And don't forget to give the value a name. Add this button, name, save, value, save, yeah, like this one. Alright guys, and the next step is you have to create this database for AdminLTE, and this way it's you the first thing you have to do is change the type of button. Sorry for my mistake for the before. uh, I put in on the type of button is button, and then you have to change to submit. All right, and then you go you create the file of this folder. That's name is connect, and that's it for the code. Like this you can log it. You can see db, this is your variable for your database, and MySQL connect, this is code for your connection for admin and your database, and localhost, this is a default of your database, and root and blank of a password, and db inventory is your name. And then the process, you have to create the file on this folder to the process.php. Like this you're gonna open the php and include connect php. The connect php is the file of the file with this, and the condition is if is it pass save name. This is the so database you create before. At this time I created the database. So database is id, name, core, price, and stock. Yeah, like this, and then you have to make the variable too, and else the inventory. Right, that's it for connecting for database and my data admin.adminLTE. All right. All right guys, we have to we did it for for the, and then we have to make this table look at me, not me bruh, on this admiralty. We're gonna use responsive variable table, and we put it there. You put from this. Yeah, all from this div, the div, the first row like this, and to end the row. You're gonna minimize it here, and then you copy all of this code, and then you copy, and you go to your file, main file, uh, maximize your below your PHP include, and search for div. uh, this is for below the card body, div card body, and then the main row, exactly above the main row. You pass at here responsive house table, and then you have to delete all the name, all the example name of this. Yeah, all the tr mean. Yep, you're gonna delete it, but not at here. You're gonna delete it at here. Where's it? I'm in it here. Yes, and then you fill the new tr to the new td2, and you write the PHP echo version your row name and your sub database, only the sub database except the id. The id you must change to I. Yes, that is I. And for each you're gonna use the for each for all of this, and they describe the variable I is one. This one is number one for your database. And then on this table head you have to fill the number name corporate as you sub database. And sorry, don't forget to adding the connect this and the first build and the at the first main of your inventory. Yep, like this code, and then we try to fill the name. uh, let's make the example Kharam Taqin, and the price is 1000 2222 stock 5. Save. Yeah, the data Kharam Taqin you have, you'll see at this database, and your database in PHP SQL or PHP admin, as you can see like before, like on dashboard. Yeah, all right. And then you get the button for the delete and edit for the from the page UI, and drop and drag the buttons at here. We can search from this flat button flat. Yeah, like this. Yeah, bro, you can copy that. Yes, this one you can copy at your main inventory, and then your class at this. Yep, and add delete 2 like this. Add the glass, but wait a minute. Unlock. This and this. Button flat. Yeah. Sorry. I'm gonna use this code. Not gadget, not. You're gonna delete and you add a new code. I mean the right code. button block, info, button flat, button block, and button danger. Like, let's see. Oh, like this, bro. Yep, this. And then you have to adding the on click after the flag. Let them in on click. Oh, we're gonna make the sentence like this. Are you sure the is data? Yeah, like this. I mean, hold up. Alright guys, the next step is the edit, the feature of edit. This code, your you bring to edit. How describe this edit? The edit.php is get from all the edit. We have to make a new file edit.php, and then you check the form of this. You give it to import, and the value is raw. That means the value is called from id, and then the form is the method exactly the post, and action is the call on edit.php, and that's it, the edit. And yeah, if you edit your data, the algorithm, the editing in this code like this, you need the require to connect to PHP, and then you have to fill all your soap database like ID, name, code, price, and stock, and the code of update exactly. All the code of the except the ID. The ID is the one the first we have to call, not this file. And then data has been edited successfully. Like this, and then let's try it. Let's try it. Automatic face on card. 1000 and save, enter. Yep, the data has been added. And then the last one is delete. The delete, you go to your main inventory and don't forget to unclick alert. And yes, this class of delete is called from id 2 like the edit one. Called from id, and when the delete call from id, you have to make a file from delete 2, and then just you copy, I edit, you copy this and paste here, and you delete the name and the name code in stock and leave of id, and then the code is delete from stuff for id, we get it from id, and then don't forget to connect php, and data has been deleted successfully. Alright, we'll try it. Alright, that's it. The implementation CRUD like create, read, update, and delete from AdminLTE. I mean from database localhost PHP admin to AdminLTE 3. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day and stay awesome. Bye bye.